I'm so glad that you're coming right to you. My name is Gson Ebuka and you're sticking around with me today. I'm going to be sharing with you 7 businesses to start with little or no capital today in Nigeria. Regardless of where you are, whether you're in Nigeria or anywhere in the world, you can still try this business and they are absolutely legit, and you can start with little or no capital. Well, I'll be right back after this break. The first business you need to start today with or little no capital is consulting. Yes, consulting. The world today is driven by knowledge. We are living in a knowledge economy where everybody is seeking out for knowledge, regardless your age, your class, your status, and your financial background. People are looking for knowledge. People are looking for who knows what they don't know, and they are ready to pay. Now, the first business I can suggest to you can start with or little no capital is consulting. What do you want to consult? What do you have experience on? What do you have a lot of information on? What do you have a skill on? There is somebody who is standing somewhere who is willing to pay because they don't have that particular information. So what information do you have today that someone is willing to pay? That is the first business you may be looking at. It doesn't cost you anything to become a consultant. All you need to do is to write out content, talk about your knowledge, your passion, whatever it is, via your social media, Facebook, Instagram, or anywhere, and people get to know that you have experience on that, and they seek out knowledge and information and solution from you, and then you charge them for doing that. Try it today. The number 2 business you have to start today with little or no money is performance-based business. Performance-based business. Now, what do I mean by performance-based business? Today, you know the world is driven by talent. Every one of us here on earth have one talent or the other. The problem is that a lot of us don't take our time to prune and harness our talent to become whatever it is that will bring money for us. For example, people have talent of singing, making people laugh, or whatever. If you can work on your talent today, there is someone out there waiting to hire you. There is someone out there waiting to need you for you to come and give that talent at an event or at a church or at a function or even at a wedding. Think about someone who loves making people to laugh and apparently work on his lines, and they become so professional and so organized. People will hire him to become a comedian, or even he can do a skit and put it on YouTube or wherever, and people will watch and he makes money. So the second business you have to think of getting into today that will make you money, you can start with little or no capital, is performance-based business. It could be comedy, it could be singing, it could be drama, it could be anything. So you don't necessarily need money to start up this business. All you need is just your time and your input in working and harnessing your talent until it becomes a skill. Number 3, service-based business. Service-based business. Now, there are a whole lot of services out there that anyone can venture into and make money out of them. It doesn't have to be a professional service. It could be something that you do a lot in your house, in your neighborhood, or wherever you are, and people are willingly ready to give you money. Think about cleaning clothes. For example, if you're a washerman, professionally called a washerman, apparently it started as a result of trying so much hard to make sure that your environment is clean. And today, you can move that service that you're giving to one person or even to yourself to become a professional service where people can pay you a certain amount of money before they can access your services. So number 3 business you can do today must be a service-based business. It doesn't cost you anything. It doesn't cost you a lot of money to start a service-based business. Think about it today. Number 4, social media agency. Yes, social media agency. I can practically tell you from now till tomorrow that social media is one place that every one of us lives today. They call it social media streets. Yes, all of us are living on social media streets. But do you know that a lot of people are cashing out from social media? Apparently Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, people are cashing out for just creating content. That is one side of it. What about people who are cashing out for building an agency on it. What do I mean? There's a lot of people who don't know how to use social media for profitability, especially organizations who are looking for ways to sell their product or even connect with their audience. Why don't you be the person that will be providing those content for them? Why don't you be the person that will be managing the social media platforms for those organizations or individual? And that is what it takes to have social media agency. You can start with little or no capital today, especially for the fact that you have experience in writing content on Facebook, Instagram, on social media. People are willing to pay you for being their content manager. People are willing to pay you for being the content provider for their blog, for their social media, and for their business. You can start social media agency today. It doesn't cost you anything except your time and your data. The next one is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is here to stay. Yes, it's one of the biggest form of online business you can do today with no money. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing simply means that there is someone out there who has a product and who is looking for someone that can advertise the product to get to the end users. Let me say that again. Someone out there have a product and is looking for someone who can advertise the product for a token so that it can get to the end user. You become the middleman. You simply become a middleman. So today, there are a lot of products and services who are currently looking for who can market for them, who are currently looking for who can bring more customers to them, and definitely they are ready to give them some part of the profit they are making from the goods that you're about to sell. So affiliate marketing is one business you can start today simply because you are selling to an audience, simply because you have a reliable place to get a product, your audience are willing to pay. So the question is, do you have a product? Do you have a place you can get a guaranteed product? Or do you have an audience waiting to pay for that product? Try affiliate marketing today is one of the best business model you can actually start today and cash out without any effort, without any money or even capital. Now, we've taken our time to look at different business model that you can start today with little or no capital. I bet you that these businesses will make you both passive income and absolutely daily income if you implement on them. My name is I Gson Ebuka and I am always here every Wednesday and Friday discussing businesses and how you can start your business today, whether you're a Nigerian, an African, or even in another part of the world. You can start that business today without hitches. Now, I'm going to be leaving you today, and until I come your way next time, remember that you like this video, comment on this comment section, and even share to someone out there that really want to hear this and learn from this video. Till I come your way next time, I am still I Gson Ebuka. Bye for now.